Hello everyone! In today's video you will see 3 more ways how you can style an oblong silk scarf like this with a scarf ring. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. By the way, you can always slow down the video. Go to the settings, choose playback speed and choose the speed you need. I do it all the time. My scarf size is 73 by 27 inches. It's quite long and large, but you can easily use shorter scarves. This ring size is just perfect for large scarves. For the first style, pass both ends through the scarf ring. Slide it up. Take the ends and tie them behind, like this. Slide the ring down a little. You can wear it like this, but I think it's still too large. So take 2 other ends, tie them together and tie the knot. Now you have this lovely shape and volume. Have you seen this style before? For the second style, pass one end through the ring. Now let's measure the length of this side, like this. Turn it around your neck and add a few inches of scarf to pass through the ring. Now let's forget about it for a moment. Fold the second part a few times, like this. Pass it through the loop and secure it with the first end. Now turn the first end around the neck and pass it through the loop too. Form your bow. By the way, I will have more videos with this scarf and how you can style it. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications. I love this style. For the third style, pass one end through the ring like this and do the same with the second end. Now tie the ends behind. By the way, I will leave a few links in the description to some silk scarves and this scarf ring. I think it's look very romantic. If you want to know more on styling your scarf with a ring, you can check these videos too. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!